Hi, so for this week, I created a market anomaly detection system. And this project involved building this system that serves as an early warning mechanism for identifying potential financial market crashes before they occur. So I used data and machine learning models, such as the isolation forest, for my project, and Grado for the user interface. So this is pretty much what I did. I read my CSV file that was given to us. I started with exploring our data. I checked for the columns, the shape. I obtained the average of VIX when there is a market crash. So I obtained the average for that. I also obtained the average for other more to detect when there's a market crash. And I obtained this 5 by using this chart over here. I got the top features most correlated with crashes, and I obtained 10 of them. So these were the top features that were most correlated with crashes. And I pretty much work with 5 of them. And that's how I got the 5 over here. By looking at this chart over here. And after I finished with my data, I went ahead and to complete the milestone 1, which was to develop the anomaly detection model. So I loaded the data, I added the 5 top features, and implemented grid search for parameters and the isolation forest. And then I also used the grader interface and set it up and the setup. So that was that, and this was my program. This is my program. The market anomaly detector. I'll test it in a bit, but I'm going to continue with my code. So I tested the accuracy, and I obtained a model accuracy of 0.82. I created some test data over here to test my program of what like the results should be. And I also created tests for that, the test data and the test for it. So now I can test it here or go to my program. So this is the Grado user interface. I'm gonna check for this values. And we should obtain normal prediction, so no crash, because there's moderate volatility, which is a typical of a stable market for VIX. It's a reasonable bond yield for a 2-year Italian bond. Over here, it's consistent with the yield curve's trend. Higher yield for longer maturities, which is normal, and stable stock market index level. So our prediction should be normal. Yeah, normal, no crash. So I can test a possible anomaly now. I'm gonna put a high VIX. And this should be a crash. So this should detect an anomaly because there's extreme volatility indicative of market panic, and usually those two are unusually low or negative yields, suggest unusual market conditions or severe deflationary pressures. And then this one, flattening or inversion of the yield curve. And this one could be sharp decline in the stock index. So based on these values, our prediction should detect a crash or anomaly. And it detects anomaly. So this is how my program works, and it is good to detect an anomaly with 0.82 accuracy.